Hey, welcome back, everybody. Good to have you here. Good to be where you are. Hope everything's going great and safe. Uh, we look forward to helping you with different things that can help you with not only your careers, but also your life in general. Have you ever thought about sometimes it's hard to understand people? What are they looking for, or why don't they understand me? Well, here are some psychological hacks to understand people better. Number one, understand that people are complex. Realize that every person has an ego, not only you, but also those that are surrounding you. People have feelings, and many times, they don't align with yours. To understand a person is to consider their feelings and emotions. Number two, judge yourself first. Don't be too hard on yourself, but you have to do a self analysis. Check yourself before you wreck yourself. When you do a self analysis and look at yourself fairly, and then you will begin to genuinely look at others with the right motives or in the right light. Number three, take time to ask questions. Ask the right questions at the right time. If you don't have the essential or correct information, you will always end up with the wrong conclusions. To get another's attention and interest, show that you are generally interested in them and what they have to bring to the table or what they have to say. You can do this by asking relevant questions. Number four, watch people's body language. If you know how to read nonverbal signs, this is going to give you more details on how to understand someone. It might even expose something that they are trying to hide. Number five, be a better listener. Listen to the voice of the other person with the intentions of understanding them. Voice modulation can also tell us how another person feels, so watch for that. Number six, put yourself into the other person's shoes. You will understand things more effectively if it's something that you've already experienced. If you have dealt with patterns of behavior or changes, you can get puzzled or overwhelmed. By putting yourself in the shoes of that person you're dealing with, it will help you understand their intentions and motives. Number seven, understand how you want to be treated. Treat others how you would want to be treated yourself. Reflect and review how you judge others with the intention of being kinder. Realize that understanding others is way more than just words. Number eight, be empathetic. Compassion and empathy are two factors in a healthy relationship. Do not let your past judgments, resentments, anger issues stand in the way of you empathetically understanding the feelings and emotion of others around you. Feel with the heart, and you will understand other circumstances much better. So we just covered 8 psychological hacks to help you understand people better. We hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to check out our YouTube channel, but most of all, don't forget to share. We're looking forward to talking to you guys later. We'll have a lot more content as time goes on. Have a great day. Ciao, ciao.